Hey my dazzlers, welcome back. So today I am here with another makeup tutorial and you guys requested me to do a summertime makeup look, plus a lot of you guys requested me to do Aliaa Bhatt's makeup look. So many of you DM'd me lots of pictures of Aliaa Bhatt and I found this one to be the most appropriate for summertime. Also, I promised you guys that I will be regular now onwards, so I'll be shooting more frequently. And look how short I cut my hair. I literally chopped my hair off at least 5 inches. So anyway, my hair will grow back. I'm not worried about that. Getting back to the look, this look requires, I'll just post one of our pictures here, there, I don't know, I will post it somewhere here. So this look requires a very clean skin. I did a mask yesterday and I think my skin really looks tired because I also shot another video yesterday and I was editing till late night. I think that is the reason why my skin looks tired. So I'm gonna prep my skin before I begin with my makeup and I'm gonna scrub my face because I think I have blackheads on my nose because I haven't scrubbed my skin for a while now. I'm going to be using this Mamaearth Uptown face scrub and I'm going to show you how I use it before I move on with the tutorial. So I'm going to put it on one side of my face so that you guys can see the difference. This one is a turmeric and walnut face scrub. You all know that turmeric fights dull, dry, damaged skin. So I mainly focus on my forehead, my nose, and my chin. The best thing about this one is it is suitable for all skin types. It removes skin tan and it's a very gentle exfoliator and it promotes even skin tone. The best part is that they are cruelty free and they're plastic positive. That means they recycle more plastic than they use in them. I'm really happy that I'm talking about it today because today is World Environment Day. Did I mention that this is cruelty free and PETA certified? So I'm gonna go and wash this side of my face and come back. So I just washed my face and do you see the difference? I don't know if you guys notice any difference on camera. For sure I see this side of my face glowing. So now I'm gonna apply it on the other side and come back and we're gonna start with our tutorial. Before you ask me what mask I was using yesterday, I was using this one. I was using this Mamaearth Uptown face mask. It's got saffron, it's got turmeric and apricot oil. This one has a lot of vitamins, antioxidants, soothes your skin and is anti-inflammatory. This one smells really good and like all Mamaearth product, this one too is chemical free and all natural. Also I have a discount code for you guys for Mamaearth products which I'll be sharing with you at the end of the video, so stick till the end. Since we're all prepped up, now we're going to start with the tutorial. First thing I'm going to use is this Colorbar Selfie Primer Oil. I have used this in a lot of my recent videos and I really love this product. It feels really cool when you apply it on your skin and it hydrates my skin. There's hardly anything on her eyes. She's got natural lips, so her skin is the main focus and that's what I'm trying to achieve. The next product I'm going to be using is from PAC. This one is the Pure Hydration Gel. This one is a gel and it gives a very nice glow to the skin. Thank you so much. Next, I'm going to be using this Forever 52 Spotless Glow Stick Foundation. This is in the shade Wheat. I love how natural this foundation looks. I mean, just look at this. This looks like your skin, but it looks so much better. My skin is also looking fresher, obviously because I used a scrub before I started off with my makeup. It's been a long time since I used my first love amongst concealers and this is the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD Concealer and this one is a brand new one. Look, this is so satisfying. I love this concealer. I'm in the shade Pure Beige. This one blends like a dream. Now, the concealer that I'm going to use next is... Now I'm torn between which one to use to highlight my under eye area. Should I use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind or should I use the Loreal Infallible one? I think I should go for the Loreal Infallible one. Loreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. And I'll just use 3 dots. And I'm blend it. Now to set this, I'm gonna use this LA Girl Pro powder, and I'm gonna dunk my sponge in it and apply it. I'm gonna take this Maybelline Master Contour palette. I'm gonna use the contour shade and the blush shade and the highlight shade all from this palette. To bronze my face, I'm gonna use this brush. This brush is from Miniso. My jawline. I'm going to use the blush from this palette. The brush I'm using is from Nykaa. This is their blush brush. She just has a very light wash of color on her cheeks. And this one looks very fresh and summery and gives you a very naturally flushed look. I'm going to apply a little bit on the tip of my nose and chin. She has got a really highlighted face and her face is all very glowy. So I'm going to use this highlighter from the same palette. And the brush I'm using is from Mascara. This is the F004 brush. And this highlighter is very, very natural. It's a really beautiful highlighter. Bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow and chin, and a little bit on my forehead. And I'm gonna go all over my face with my sponge to bring everything together. For my eyebrows, I'm gonna take this Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer. This is in the shade Felix Onyx. So I'm gonna use this Sugar Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in the shade Fetish. And I'm gonna use this brown shade in the crease. So the eye makeup is very, very light. I think I'm gonna leave it at that, just for a little bit of definition. And I'm also going to use this on the lower lash line. And from the same palette, I'm going to use this shade on top of my eyelids. I'm just going to apply it all over my eyelids. I'm going to take another palette. It's the same palette but in the shade Fantasy. And I'm going to use this shade in the lower lash line. I really think that is it, so I'm just going to apply a little bit of the highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes. The mascara I'm going to apply is from Sugar. This is the Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara. I'm back after applying false lashes. I just applied Miniso false lashes, which are in natural. These eyelashes look really, really natural. If you want, you can skip the eyelashes. You can just apply 2 coats of mascara and you're good to go. You can take any black eyeshadow. I am going to take this eyeshadow palette. It's the same one, but this is in the shade Warrior. And I'm going to take this black shade. I'm going to apply it on top of the lash band. And also on her lash line, a very, very thin line. I think we're done with the eyes. I'm going to line my lips with this Nykaa Lips Don't Lie lip liner in the shade Chocolate Boy. Now I'm going to apply this PAC lipstick. This is in the shade Paradise. And with that, we come to the end of the tutorial. I've got a coupon code for you guys. It's SUSH2020. I will mention it right here and also in the description box. With this coupon code, you'll get 20% discount at mamaearth.in. And the Mamaearth products that I showed you, they will be available on Mamaearth, Amazon and Nykaa. But please note that the coupon code is only applicable on mamaearth.in. So guys, I hope you liked it, and if you did, then please click on the like button and show me how much you liked it, and subscribe to my channel. We are very, very close to 100k. You know how much I love reading your comments and replying to your comments. Okay guys, so I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle. Stop making me laugh. Also, oh God. I can't. Take 201. Let's see if we can do it this time. Yay! Finally I did it.